Now, with the coming in of the internet age, a lot of new career options have emerged for a lot of people. To begin with, one of the topmost skills that comes to my mind is copywriting. What is copywriting? Copywriting is basically when you're writing something to promote or market a product or advertise a product for your target audience online. Another topmost skill is that of content creation. Now, content creation can be subdivided into three types. Number one is content writing. Content writing is basically when you're writing content for websites, or you're writing blog posts or articles online. The second one is photo content. Now, what is a photo content? A photo content is basically an image content wherein you create an infographic image or photo to promote your brand, to promote your business or anyone else's business online. The third type is video content. Now, what is video content? It is basically when you're trying to promote a product or a service of your brand or any brand online through a video. It can be of two types. The first is when you're creating an animated video or an infographic video wherein everything is done on the computer. The second type is when you're actually shooting for a video wherein you're actually hiring actors or models in order to promote your product and you're making them your brand ambassadors. Another skill that comes to my mind is UI UX design. UI is user interface and UX is user experience. When you take over the website of the brand that you're working for, it is your job to make the website as appealing as possible in the eye of the customer. Not only that, it is your duty, your responsibility to make it as easy for them to navigate through the website so that they are able to find whatever they need on the website, whatever that they came for on the website. This is the job of a UI UX designer. So let's say hustle to achieve. When you're going through our page, our theme consists of mainly three colors that are blue, black and white. And when you're scrolling through the feed, through our feed, you can find a pattern of the similar theme that I talked about, the blue color theme, and suddenly you come across a post which is, let's say, in a neon color, right? So that would automatically cause some discomfort to your eye, right? So it then becomes the duty of the UI UX designer to replace that neon color and bring in the color so that you are able to relate to the set pattern that you already were exposed to earlier. Talking about another relevant skill right now, that is social media marketing. What is social media marketing? Social media marketing means that you're promoting your brand or a business or your personal brand on social media platforms. There are many social media platforms. Some of the biggest social media platforms that you can work on are Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok. Now, as a social media marketer, it becomes your responsibility to promote the brand in such a way that your target audience is able to see it and relate to it on the social media platforms. I'm sure you must have heard about email marketing, which is yet another relevant skill. Whenever you visit a website, I'm sure you must have come across a page wherein you are asked to put your details, your email ID, and the relevant information on that particular website to access the website or order something from it. So you are asked to fill in your details, including your email ID. Now what happens is, when you're registering on that particular platform with your email ID, that website or that business has access to your email ID, and now what they do is they take up your email ID along with all the email IDs that have been collected by that particular website. They shoot emails regarding the updates to their products or the newsletters, the subscription plans, or whatever they want to promote. Talking about coding now. So coding is basically a set of instructions that you give your computer so that it can act in the way that you want it to act. It is basically a set of commands so that you are able to get the desired results or actions from your computer. One such important language, coding language, is HTML. And nowadays it's pretty convenient for us to actually get the work done, because there are many websites that are now giving ready-made templates which do the coding for you. So it becomes easy for you to actually skip the coding part yourself and get on with your work. So these are some of the many skills that are available for you in the digital space. And most, if not all, of these skills are available for you to learn for free online on platforms such as YouTube. Coming on to the main part, that is making money on Instagram. There are over 10 ways that you can make money on Instagram, or you can monetize your Instagram account. The first way is content creation, wherein you're creating content for your brand, for someone else's brand, and you're getting paid in return for that. Another way is affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically when you're promoting a product or service to your audience which belongs to someone else, and your audience buys that product or service through your referral, then you're paid a commission on top of that particular sale. Yet another way you can make money is by account management. Account management is basically when you're managing an account of a big brand or a business, and this is actually a full-time job. There are a lot of social media managers who are managing accounts of famous celebrities, VIPs, businesses, and they are actually making quite a lot of money in return. You can also sell digital products or physical products online. That again comes with a lot of knowledge about how social media marketing works, how SEO works. You can also create ebooks online and you can sell it to your audience. You can create courses, or you can create courses related to whatever your niche is, and find a suitable audience for your course. Another very important way in which you can monetize your Instagram account is by selling shout outs or paid campaigns or promotions, as we say. So for that you require a big enough audience so that you can promote someone else on your account and you can get paid in return. A lot of social media influencers do it. Or you can become an online consultant, an online business consultant, or a social media consultant, wherein you're helping big businesses or individuals with their strategies and helping them out with their campaigns and everything related to social media or business. Or you can even start your online coaching classes. And online coaching classes are the way into the future, and as we can see, this pandemic has made us realize that online education has become much more important, because right now we cannot send our children. We can see that people that schools are not reopening right now because of what the condition is. So online coaching or online education comes in place so that it becomes easier for schools, tutors and private coaching institutes to continue with teaching their students. So yes, there are plethora of opportunities through which you can make money online. And lastly, and probably one of the most important parts of this particular video, is that you can create your own brand on social media platforms. You can build a big following, and then you can sell shout outs, you can become an affiliate marketer, you can sell your own courses, your own ebooks. You can monetize your own account in any of the ways that I've just talked about, by creating your own following on Instagram, just like we at Hustle to Achieve do. And not only that, you can create and grow multiple accounts on Instagram or on any other social media platform and sell it off to big businesses or entrepreneurs who are ready to pay you for the following that you have built, so that they can continue with the following that you have created in return for a good amount of money. So guys, I hope that you got to know quite a bit about how social media works and how you can start off your own journey in the digital space. And I would like to thank Enactus Gargi for giving me this opportunity to interact with you all and share my insights and ins and outs about how social media works from my own experience. I hope you take away something from this video. And if you want to learn more, you can reach out to us at Hustle to Achieve on Instagram. Thank you.